Up till now, it was more the San Diego or the California people going to Baja and experiencing it there, not thinking they can get the same experience back home. Galaxy Taco does a good job of bringing elements of that. Baja cuisine, it's first and foremost appreciation and respect to ingredients and the sourcing of them. So it's not just the masa harina that is important. The corn that makes the masa harina is important. And I think this is really the essence and the core of the Baja cuisine. And that's what we've seen Chef Cuisine doing. The fish taco was slightly different. Using vodka in the batter is something unique. And he really made the fish taco extremely crispy. So a combination of flavors was fantastic. I thought the Clams and Birria was ingenious to say, okay, let's do a take on a surf and turf and braised clam, and the saltiness and the brininess of the clams with a rich, meaty flavor of the meat sauce is just great. With Corazón de Torta, I love their mission of an affordable, quality, good meal to hardworking people. The Meatball Torta, as a take on a meatball sub, was kind of a fusion using cauliflower, which is extremely trendy, and having the mole as the authentic element of the dish is a really nice take of mashing two cuisines together and introducing a traditional flavor via a very trendy vehicle. Romesco is very much what we've seen as a Baja Med, really bringing elements of what Mexican cuisine is, Baja cuisine evolving to be, and then the Mediterranean influence just because of the overlap of ingredients and the appreciation of seasonality and freshness. We've seen a lot of pulpo, so it was nice to see serving it with a cauliflower puree and some vegetables to the side was a really nice take on what's happening also in the American cuisine, bringing those Baja elements in. What is interesting to see in the Baja cuisine is the philosophical approach to it, of great respect for the terroir, great respect for high quality ingredients and seasonality. We heard constantly from the chefs that the Baja cuisine is just like a mashup of different cultures and different cuisine just because of the diversity of that region by population. For the adaptation in the US is taking a step back and just really assessing the ingredients one uses and really concentrating on how fresh and simple preparation can use them.